What's up guys, I'm Teresa and welcome to my channel. Today it's the 4th of April, it's beautiful weather out here, but it's still freezing. It's about 6 degrees outside, but it's fine because you're going on a short walk with me in downtown park called Petřínské sady. During this short walk you're gonna practice the demonstratives tato and their variations like tento or tamto. If you don't know anything about grammatical genders in Czech, make sure to watch that video first. The link is in the description box. Let's begin. Teď jsem v parku Petřín. Tento park je hodně velký, je tady hodně stromů, hodně různých cest, je tady krásný výhled na Prahu. Tento park je můj nejoblíbenější v Praze. To je strom. Ten strom je v parku. Tento strom má růžové květy, ale tamten strom má bílé květy. Tento park má jednoduše úžasné výhledy na celou Prahu. Ale tamten park se jmenuje Letná a ten má taky krásné výhledy na Prahu. To je socha. Ta socha je vysoká. Tahle socha je velmi známá, je velmi populární a je to socha spisovatele Jana Nerudy. Ale tamta socha je ještě víc populární v tomto parku. Proč? Je to socha Karla Hynka Máchy. On byl velmi romantický básník a každý rok si lidé dávají pusu u této sochy. Tato lavička je volná, ale tamta lavička je obsazená. Není volná. To je petřínská rozhledna. Tato věž je velmi vysoká, ale tamta věž v Paříži, Eiffelova věž, je ještě vyšší než tato věž. To je jezírko. To jezírko je zamrzlé, ale tamto jezírko není zamrzlé. Teď sedím na terase v kavárně hned vedle petřínské rozhledny. Můžu si koupit jídlo tady nebo tam je taky kavárna. Toto jídlo je trochu drahé, ale tamto jídlo je docela levné. Toto, tamto. A quick side note, if you enjoyed this video and want to support me, maybe buy me a cup of coffee or simply download the transcript, translation, as well as additional materials like listening exercises and quizzes, head over to Patreon. The link is down in the description box. I had to finish the video at home because the wind was getting so strong. Let's get down to the theory. In Czech, we don't really use the indefinite articles. I can just say, to je strom. That's a tree. For the masculine animate and inanimate gender, I can just say, ten strom je hezký. That tree is nice or the tree is nice. I refer to that specific tree. For the feminine gender, I can say, tady je lavička. Here's a bench. Ta lavička je volná. The bench, that bench is free. Or for the neutral gender, tady je jídlo. To jídlo je drahé. Here's food. That food is expensive. I'm referring to that specific food. So we have ten for the masculine animate or inanimate gender, ta for the feminine gender, to for the neutral gender. Ten, ta, to. However, if I want to point out at something or emphasize something, I will say tento. Tento strom je krásný. This one, this tree is nice. Tato lavička je volná. Toto jídlo je drahé. And since tam means there, over there, we have three pairs in the singular. Tento strom versus tamten strom. This tree or that one over there. Tato lavička versus tamta lavička. This bench versus that one over there. Toto jídlo, tamto jídlo. This food, that food over there. So I can either use it for objects that are physically close or further from us. Toto auto, tamto auto. This car, that car over there. Or in an abstract way. Viděl jsi to nové video na YouTube? Did you see that new video on YouTube? Chceš říct to video z úterý nebo tamto video z víkendu? You mean that video from Tuesday or that one from the weekend? Last thing, in spoken Czech, we often use also another form. We can say tento autor or tenhle autor. This author, tato autorka or tahle autorka. Toto auto or tohle auto. Tenhle, tahle, tohle is less formal and we do use it a lot, mainly in spoken and informal Czech. I suggest that you stick with toto, tato, tento in written Czech, especially in formal situations. That is all for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed this interactive lesson. If you did, feel free to share it with your friends because I know that this topic is confusing a lot of people. Also, let me know in the comment section how do you feel about demonstrative pronouns in Czech. Thanks for watching and I will see you next week. Ahoj!